All right, so let's do one last coin and then we'll wrap it up. So let's look into YFI. That's Yearn.Finance. This has been called the new Bitcoin for DeFi because of how it had the most fair launch. I mean, there's been lots and lots of interest around this. This coin has just been moving. Disclosure: I do own some Yearn through a liquidity pool. All right, so I'm basically part of that. So I do own some. Just kind of putting that out there. But that's just purely as a trade in that pool. It's not really like a super long-term investment per se. With that being said, Bill.
Okay, here it comes. Okay, so Yearn, wow. Now, with this, sometimes it pays to just keep it simple, right? If this thing likes to make triangles and then go up, then it looks like you can't really apply the moon pattern to this necessarily, but it keeps doing it, right? And until it stops doing it, you just stay with it. Right? Now, we're probably a little late in the game, maybe, but maybe not, right? I mean, you probably could have said that right here. You probably could have said, yeah, you know, this has had a nice run. So, you know, and you know what? I saw the same thing in Kava, in Ren, in Aave. It's like, wow, you know, this thing's gone up a lot. You should take profits. The next thing you know, it's like, what was that? That was the thing I just sold. Right? So I'm not telling you not to take profits, but what I am telling you is I think when I look at that chart, you know, that seems kind of, you know, that it's an intraday chart, but, you know, don't fade the trend. Don't sell everything. You can take partial profits, right? You know, or you can wait and buy in one of the triangle periods. So I don't know where that's going, but I know that buying in consolidations has worked because it's done that 3 or 4 other times. So if it's working, keep doing it until it doesn't work.
Yeah, good points there. So actually, let me see if I can pull this up as well on Token Metrics. So, I mean, we have done the review on YFI on Token Metrics. So we definitely do encourage you to go check that out. So looking at this, so our price prediction, yeah, this one has, this coin is pretty new. So our models are still trying to adapt to it. We kind of had it going kind of sideways for the first week or so. Actually, yeah, from week 1 to 2. Then it shot up. Our models had it going all the way to 20,000, but it kind of pulled back. Now it's kind of hovering around 13,000 or so. Our models have it going as high as 18,000, 17,000 before kind of tailing off. And we think the bottom is somewhere around 10,600, 11,000 or so, give or take. But the models are still adapting. This is a very new coin. Obviously, this is very speculative, right? This is not looking at fundamentals or technology or TA. This is looking just purely at the charts and the pricing history, and that's very limited because it is a new coin. But we think this kind of does give you some perspective, right? Kind of use this as a tool in your toolbox. Now, the technology on this is great. Our team has gone through, done a code review. Technology is good. This is one of the better DeFi projects out there, and that's why it's been doing very, very well, right? And the governance structure has been very, very innovative as well. All right, with that being said, tell us what you think. What's your price prediction for YFI? Do you think this is truly the next Bitcoin, especially for DeFi? Or do you think that's just hype? Do you think this will keep on going and enter the top 20 market cap, top 10 market cap? Tell us what you think down in the comments below.